Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a Google trick. You can break the Google homepage and can play with it. Go to Google and type Google Gravity. Google Gravity. Click on this first link, mrdupe.com. You will see an old page of Google Chrome. Just hover your mouse over it. As you can see that it just completely break the page. However, you can click on every link and you can play with it. You can just throw Google or a search bar, a Google search, or this search bar, or you can even type in it. I'm gonna say how to Google, then I'm gonna throw this thing over, and just like that, you can play with every single tab. This is Google Play, Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, and I'm going to click on Google Search. Okay, where is Google Search? This is Google Search. I'm going to click on this. Okay, it's not working. Anyways, you can still open YouTube from here. See? Thank you for watching this video. It's a small tool to play with it. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Have fun.